Meet Max. Today, he's on the ultimate and possibly final adventure, experiencing what death would be like on every planet in our solar system. Let's begin. Mercury. Max lands on the smallest planet closest to the sun. It's quiet, too quiet. The ground beneath him is covered in gray dust and ancient craters. At first, everything seems calm, but then he glances at his thermometer, 430 degrees Celsius. His suit starts to overheat instantly. He tries to retreat into the shadows, but when the sun sets, it's worse, plunging to minus 180 degrees Celsius. His breath fogs. Frost spreads across his helmet. No atmosphere means no air and no mercy. Within minutes, Max collapses, frozen solid in eternal silence. Venus. Next stop, Venus, Earth's evil twin. As Max enters its thick yellow clouds, he's blinded by a toxic haze. Sulfuric acid rains down, sizzling on his visor. His suit's filters work desperately but can't keep up. The temperature? 450 degrees Celsius. The pressure? 92 times Earth's, like being crushed under a kilometer of ocean. His body compresses. Alarms scream inside his suit before it crumples like paper. His last thought? So this is hell. Now Mars. The red planet greets Max with a deceptive calm. The sky is dusty orange, the ground barren but beautiful. He steps out, feeling light in its weak gravity. The temperature is tolerable during the day, maybe even pleasant. But as night falls, the thin air offers no protection. The thermometer drops to minus 130 degrees Celsius. His oxygen runs out. In the distance, a massive dust storm looms, swallowing the horizon in red fury. He gasps, but there's no air to breathe. Max falls, buried under Martian dust. The most forgiving death so far. Jupiter. And here, death isn't just certain, it's instant, even before he reaches the planet. Radiation shreds his systems. But let's imagine his suit can protect him for a while. He dives into endless, swirling clouds. Ammonia storms the size of Earth itself. Winds rip past at 480 kilometers per hour. The deeper he falls, the darker and hotter it gets. Pressure mounts. His suit creaks. Then silence. Saturn's beauty is breathtaking. Golden rings arching across a velvet black sky. Max smiles briefly as he enters the atmosphere. 1,800 kilometers per hour winds fling him like a rag doll. Thunderstorms crackle with alien lightning. Further down, pressure turns gas into liquid, swallowing him whole. The last thing Max sees is a soft golden glow from Saturn's core before he's compressed beyond recognition. Now Uranus, a pale blue giant, rolling on its side. Max dives through icy clouds at minus 220 degrees Celsius. The air is poison, but worse are the winds. 900 kilometers per hour gales laced with ice shards. He plummets through layers of freezing methane until the pressure smashes him flat. As he's crushed, something magical happens. Diamonds rain around him, glittering in the darkness. A beautiful grave. Finally, Neptune. Distant, dark, and violent. Supersonic winds scream across the surface. Lightning illuminates massive storms. Max's suit trembles under cold, but deep inside, the heat is unimaginable. As he's dragged downward, the air thickens and pressure builds to extremes. He's vaporized near the blazing hot core, consumed by a planet colder than ice but hotter than fire within. And there ends Max's tour of planetary death. Some planets froze him, others crushed him, and some simply erased him. One thing's certain, Earth may have its problems, but compared to the rest of the solar system, it's paradise. So maybe appreciate your breathable air. And if you want to survive this channel's next adventure, hit like, subscribe, and join Max as he explores the universe's strangest mysteries.